Hi, I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. I'm called the Big Game Hunter because I've been hunting down leaders and staff for organizations for more than 40 years and helping small businesses increase sales in a host of different ways, coaching them to do better. So today I want to talk with you about how to increase sales and do something a little bit different than probably many of you have done, and that is grow a mailing list. So I don't want to say I have the largest list in the world, but I have about 11, 12,000 people who are following me in one form or another, who get information from me regularly, who are basically a walking sales force for me, because they have certain positive impressions of me from having followed my writings, from having watched my videos, from having seen a host of things that I've done online that I give away for free. Yes, it takes a little bit of time each week for me to create these products. For example, each video I do is generally about a 3 to 5 minute video with advice for coaching people. But think about it for a second. If I break down the barriers to resistance between you and I, where you trust me that much more at the time that you decide to reach out to me, hasn't that 3 to 5 minutes of work I've done regularly been worthwhile? You see, for most people, they think they have to be like Willy Loman salespeople, which is, if you're not familiar with the metaphor, it's from Death of a Salesman, a play by Arthur Miller some years ago, where this hard-working salesman goes out every day unappreciated for what he does by his family, by the people he works with, by a host of individuals, and he's out there just trying to beat down the doors to do his sale. Unless he kills it, he doesn't eat. That's probably the best way to describe it. It's a tough, tough life to sell that way. But by learning about me, you probably trust me a little bit more. And that's really what this kind of communication style is about. You want to build up a mailing list of people who want to hear from you, who want to know about you, for whom you're giving them advice, and then encouraging them to reach back to you at a time that they're ready to buy. Because frankly, if you have to keep on knocking down doors all the time, let me be clear, I'm not telling you not to do that, but I'm encouraging you to add this to your repertoire, because what you'll find is if you do this kind of work, the doors aren't quite as sealed to you as they are otherwise. It's harder to break down doors that are locked than when they're open a crack. Again, this doesn't guarantee us anything. At a time you reach out to me, you're still going to want to interview me and get a feel for what I'm like and what I can do for you. But I've got that chance because you trust me from these videos. And you can create your own information and give it to people. You can just put it on a Facebook page. You can put it on your website. You can direct people to your website regularly from your other promotions. Lots of things that you can do to create this kind of trust. So that's my tip for today. And if you found this helpful, click the like button that's down below. Let people know that you liked it, or maybe write a comment that encourages people to watch this video. If you're on YouTube, you can watch my other videos following the tag Finding Work, Finding Clients. If you go to my website, which is jeffaltman.com, go jeffaltman.com/business coaching. jeffaltman.com/coaching.htm. You'll find information about my coaching services plus links to my other videos there as well. I want to help your business grow. There's no reason that you're struggling at this point. I want to help you. So send me an email at thebiggamehunter@gmail.com. Let's figure out a time to speak and let me help you. Take care.